matrices. As you can see, we have a question here given that matrix A is equals to 3, 1, 2, 5. B is minus 4, 3, 2, minus 2, and C is 1, 2, 3, 2. Find AB, B, A, C. This is multiplication of matrices. And how can you find multiplication of matrices? You have to multiply rows by column. I have already explained what is rows and column in my previous video, where we find order of what? Matrices. Order of matrices. We have A, solution. We have A to be 3, 1, 2, 5, and B is equal to 4 minus 4, 3, 2, and minus 2. So if you are asked to find AB, which means you have to multiply A by B, which is what? AB is equal to, with number A is 3, 1, 2, 5, then B is minus 4, 3, 2, and minus 2. So if you want to multiply these matrices, you have to multiply the numbers, the rows by what? Column. And what I do, this is my row, the first row here, this is the first row. But I'm going to use this the rows to multiply the column, first column and the second column at the same time. The first column and the second column at the same time. Take note of that. So what I have here is I interchange it like this. I have 3 and 1, and the first row column here is minus 4 and 2. So what am I going to do is, this is the rows, this is column. I just interchange it. 3 times minus 4 is what? We have AB is equals to 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. Minus 12. Then plus. Then 1 times 2 is 2. I'm done with the first one. I won't click the first, I use the first. So now I've finished with the first column. I'm going to replace this one with the second column. By using the same row, I'm still using this first row to multiply the first column and the second column. This is the second column. And second column is what? 3 and minus 2. Then 3 times 3 is what? Yes, 9 plus 1 times minus 2 is what? Minus 2. I'm done with the first row. I'm using the first row, then I'll clean everything. Then the second row is this. This is the second row, which is 2 and 5. 2 and 5. I'll multiply with the first column, which is first column is what? This. That is minus 4 and what? 2. 2 times minus 4 is minus 8 plus 5 times 2 is 10. I'm done with this. Then I'll click. Remember that I'll use this second row to multiply the first and second column. So I'll click this first column, then I'll replace it with the second column. What is the second column? Is what? 3 and minus 2. 3 and minus 2. 2 times 3 is now what? 6. And plus 5 times minus 2 here is now what? Minus 10, which is open bracket what? Minus 10. It's very, very easy. So we now have AB is equal to minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. 9, this is plus times minus is minus. We now have 9 minus 2, we have 7. Minus 8 plus 10 is 2. 6 plus times minus is minus. 6 minus 10, we have minus 4. This is AB. Very simple. Now let's try AC. AC, that is B. AC is equal to, then I'll put A. What is A? A is 3, 1 and 2, 5. Then C is 1, 2, 3, 2. So now I'll see the same lecture. Very, very easy. The first row here is this. This is 3 and 1. I use the first row to multiply the first column and the second column. 3, 1. The first column here is 1, 2. 1, 2. Then I multiply 3 times 1 is what? 3. AC is equal to 3 plus 1 times 2 is what? 2. I'm done with the first column. Then I'll clean this one, replace it with the second column. Sorry, the first column is 1, 3. It's not, the first column is 1, 3. 1, 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Then 1 times 3 is 3. Is 3. We are dealing with rows and columns, not rows to row. So I'm done with the first column. And the second column is what? 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 times 2 is now 2. I'm done with the first row. Then I'll use the second row to multiply the first column and the second column. So I'll use this one to multiply it. I'll replace everything back. The second row is what? 2 and 5. I'll use to multiply the first column, which is 1 and 3. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5 times 3 is 15. Then I'll clean the first column, replace it with the second column. This is the second column, which is 2 and 2. 2 and 2. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5 times 2 is 10. Then we have this. AC is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 15 is 17. 4 plus 10 is 14. This is all. Thank you.